Hello everyone, how are you doing today? So hope you are all are doing good. So today I want to show you something. So let's go to display setting. So if you can see in the sorry, give me 1 second. Go to personalization, go to colors, and suppose you want to change the color mode here. So choose your mode. Okay, so you have two or three types of modes. One is light, which changes to light color. Second one is dark, and which changes to dark color. And custom, you can choose between default window mode and a default app mode. So suppose I'm choosing light, so all the applications will be light. If I choose dark, all the applications will be dark mode. If I choose light here, all the window related settings will be in light mode. Okay, so but here I wanted to have something like where suppose at night I'm working, and if it is at light mode, it gives lot of strain on my eyes. So I wanted to have something which will change the colors automatically. So like see, we can what we can do is that we can come here every night or every day and change it to light or dark according to our requirement. But I wanted it to happen automatically, so I was looking through the web, and I found one software which helps in this. So let's see. So I wanted to share with you so that you can also use this for your convenience. So it is called auto dark mode. Okay, so you can search in Google, and I can provide you the direct link also in the video. So this is the direct link, you can see. I'll put it in notepad. Okay, so if you can see, so this is the direct link here. So basically it is in github.com up to here, then you can do dark mode. So see, you can copy up to here, so it's easy to remember. GitHub auto dark mode, you can just type here. So GitHub auto dark mode, so it takes us here only, and this one you can use. Okay, okay, so let's download that then. Okay, so here for downloading this, you can go here at the release section here over here. So I'll click the latest one, and from here we have different options of for downloading it. So first one is exe file, second one is zip file, which is I think a kind of portable version, and source code is there. Okay, so in different formats. So basically I need this one. I'll try to install that into window. Okay, so this is the one. So I'll save it here. Yes, so it's downloaded. I'll start. So basically this gives two options to install for me only or install for all users. So basically if we choose first one, so this option will be enabled for the current user only, which is logged in, that is me. And if I use this one, if we choose this one, it will be installed for all the users. So all the users can use this software. So basically I'll try to install it for all users. Yes, next. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, so it's asking me to launch, so I'll launch it here. Okay, so this is that software interface. So I'll close it. I'll start from window auto. If you can auto dark mode, so this is this one. Okay, I'll start here same thing. So here you can choose the color accordingly. So set custom hour. Okay, so this here we can choose the different type. So light will be up from 6 a.m. and dark mode will be from 6 p.m. Okay, so you can change it accordingly to your requirement. So second option is from sunset to sunrise. For this, you need to enable your location service from sunset to sunrise. That is depends on geographic coordinates.
से कनेक्ट किया गया है.
Sorry, that was Alexa disturbing in between. Okay. So follow window night. So like this, lot of options are there here. You can explore this more according to. So I had this software, so wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. Have a great time ahead. Please like, subscribe, and support our channel if you like it. If you don't like it, please let us know. If anything that we can improve or anything new thing that you want us to bring to you. Thanks for supporting. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Take care.